Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Garmin Connect on iPhone, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open the App Store on your iPhone.
In the search bar, type Garmin Connect. Tap on the Garmin Connect app when it appears.
Select Get to download and install the app. Once the app is downloaded, open Garmin Connect. You will see a welcome screen. Tap on Get Started to proceed. If you already have a Garmin account, select Sign In.
For new users, tap on Create Account.
Follow the prompts to enter your email and create a password. After creating your account, you will need to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Garmin. Click on the verification link in the email.
Return to the Garmin Connect app and sign in with your credentials.
Once signed in, the app may prompt you to pair a device. If you have a compatible Garmin device, follow the on-screen instructions to pair. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. Select your Garmin device from the list shown on your phone. Confirm the pairing on both your device and your iPhone. The app will now sync data from your Garmin device.
Explore the features of Garmin Connect.
Set up your profile by adding relevant health and fitness information. Customize your app settings according to your preferences. Review the dashboard to see your activity data and metrics.
Familiarize yourself with tracking workouts and activities.
Enjoy using Garmin Connect to monitor your fitness journey.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.